This is the trail I normally take, Aliso Canyon Trail, and today I'm gonna go to Green River entrance trail. It's about 3.8 miles. Pretty nice trail, pretty flat with some slope, but not too bad. Today I'm in, again, Chino Hills State Park. I'm riding all the way from Chino Hills to, if you look at the front, that's the 91 freeway, close to Santana River Trail there. Let's see, give you the view in the back here. It's Sunday, quite nice. I just decided to go all the way. I think it's maybe like, I don't know, 3 or 4 miles from the main Chino Hills State Park Road. And I see a lot of, quite a bit of hikers here, so we'll go all the way there, maybe another half a mile or so, and then come back. '91 freeway in the front. It's quite nice area. You kind of open here. Nice breeze, not too hot. Okay, let's start riding. Sorry, it's gonna be a little bumpy. Just be careful not to get a flat tire. But you know, I see some bikers and hikers, so just take it easy. The trail is pretty flat. I would say pretty smooth surface for most of it, so it's not like rocky, too much rocky, anything like that. I would say quite easy. If you have mountain bikes, this is quite easy trail. Now, hopefully you don't get lost in here. Just make sure you kind of remember or take pictures or video at different points. I think that's a Santana River Trail there, I believe, if I remember correctly. That's the golf course. That's a Green River golf course.